Welcome to Milo's Mods, ladies and gentlemen. So, we finally had a break in the weather so we can do some outdoor firing. We've got 3 blasters loaded today. We have the brand new rocket launcher. I'm still waiting on the shells to convert it over to HPA. So, I'm going to give you a stock firing demo of that one. We've got the 3 shells loaded. I've also got the Kirin loaded with 6 shells ready to go, and I've got 6 rounds loaded in the Harrier too while I'm waiting on the parts to show up from Saber. So let's begin, shall we, Milo? What do you want to start with, the GL?
Yeah, get over with.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, it's got poo-poo performance in its stock form, but that's why we mod things, people.
I like how they actually just fall out.
Oh, you're going to use the Harrier now? Okay. Yeah, I did some external mods to this thing.
Okay.
It's pretty spicy, isn't it? Now it's time for his favorite blaster. He absolutely loves this Kirin.
Beautiful thing. I love the shell ejecting. And we're out.
It's pretty awesome, isn't it? Well, thank you for watching the firing demo of the Kirin, the Worker Harrier, and the RPG Stinger grenade launcher. We do plan on doing more firing demos outside when the weather permits, but right now this is the first break we've had in the weather. Until next time, this is Milo's Mods signing off.